What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie. We are back with the BMW E36 M3 and today is going to be another detailed video. We're going to be polishing the exhaust tips on this E36 M3. So short little story, I'm going to show you guys the before, the process and the after. But the short story, if you're new to the channel, about the E36 M3 right here. So it was a project car to bring back to life to its pristine condition. It has 74,000 miles on the odometer. So I was thinking about actually doing a Dynon exhaust system when I did the Dynon suspension on this car, but I want to keep it all OEM. And one important thing about any car, does not matter what it is, when you wash the car, you want your exhaust tips to shine because it kind of adds a really good pop to the rear end of the car. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it, how much it costs, and what things you need to do to get this on point. And this is really a kind of a DIY video that anybody could do. It's very simple and it's not really that much money. Alright guys, so first things first, what type of applicator am I going to use to polish this to bring it back to shine? Well, I decided to go with Mother's Mag Aluminum and Polish right here guys. So this stuff is really good. I used a different product back in the day on one of my Hondas and Infiniti G35s. But I remember using this once but never buying it. It was actually my friend's and this works magic. And again, this is depending on the size. You can get it for like 11 bucks or you can actually get it for $7.99. But before we start putting this on the exhaust, I'm going to show you guys in the before and then I'm going to show you guys an after of what the exhaust looks like now. So let's see what else we need. We need a few microfiber towels actually. Microfiber towels are really important because before we start applying this, we're actually going to wash the exhaust. Now, you need a hose or you need two buckets, one soapy water, one regular water. And then what else do you need is basically different types of pads. So this is going to be the applicator pad that I'm going to use, but this is not really necessary. You could actually use just a microfiber towel and put some of this on it and apply it to the exhaust and start polishing, or you could use this for certain cracks. Now you also need a sponge. Not really important. You could use a microfiber towel again, but I'm going to use a sponge and some of this to kind of use the soapy water to clean the exhaust before I apply the Mother's polish. Now another really important thing is you need a fine grade steel wool to get inside, to get everything that's stuck inside of the nasty exhaust out. Fine grade steel wool is important because you could use it on the exterior of the exhaust to kind of, you know, if it's really filthy. In my case, it's not really all that bad, but make sure it's fine grade because you could really damage the chrome. So let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so we're almost done with all this hot soap water. We got everywhere inside, all the way back. You use different types of sponges. Got in all of here too. And next step, we're going to wash it and dry it. Alright guys, so we washed it with soap water and then we rinsed it and completely dried it. Took a dry towel, got all of the excess water out. We actually did a really good job by actually washing the inside already, and it's not actually all that bad condition. So the owner, shout out to the owner who owned this car before, he really did take care of it. But I do see some fine scratches on the exterior, so I don't know what type of steel wool they use or what type of brushes they use, because it looks like there's some little bit of damage over there. But it's okay, we're going to work with what we have. So we're actually ready to apply Mother's polish. So I'm going to use a microfiber towel and a microfiber pad to apply it to the exhaust tip. Alright guys, so during this process, we're basically putting light work into polishing the exhaust. So I'm trying to get into all of the holes, but it's kind of a little bit tough because of the way this exhaust is placed, but I'm trying to do my best, and we're going to continue on with this until we're going to start removing the polish and getting our final result. Alright guys, so we applied it, got another micro towel. Now I'm going to start scrubbing it and trying to remove all of this polish and see what type of shine we're going to get. And then I think we're going to go a little bit over here on the inside with that steel wool and make it a little bit more cleaner than what it is right now. Alright guys, so we applied the steel wool on the inside, and I applied it again with a little bit of the polish. Now I'm cleaning it up. It actually got away around 90-95% of what was stuck on it, all of the dirt. Now it looks much better than what it was. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a montage right here of the final product and how this exhaust all turned out. Guys, we finished another DIY on the BMW E36 M3. I'm actually going to probably go on and do the Camry as well. Thanks again for joining in. If you're new, consider subscribing. I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.